Today we're going to be comparing the BISSELL HydroSteam to the UWANT Y100 Steam. UWANT did send this one out to me, but I've been testing this out for a few weeks now and I've been very impressed with it. And in today's video, we're going to go over all of the different features. And most importantly, we're going to do some cleaning tests. We're going to do room temperature carpet cleaning. We're also going to do hot water cleaning with the UWANT because unfortunately BISSELL does not offer that on this machine. And then lastly, we're going to do steam comparisons because these both do have steam functions. All right, so let's talk about physical differences first. First of all, we're going to get a bunch more attachments here with the UWANT, and we will go over all of these in much more detail in just a minute. But over here, the UWANT is going to have a 2-in-1 tank design, which I really like. And then on the BISSELL, we have two separate tanks. We have the dirty water and then the clean water over here. While we're talking about physical differences, I do want to mention that the BISSELL is 13 pounds and it is actually one of BISSELL's heavier carpet cleaners, whereas the UWANT is only 5 pounds, making it really light for its size and all of its function. Next up, let's talk about the hoses. So over here on the BISSELL, we're going to get a 3-foot hose. And then over here on the UWANT, we're going to get 5.25 feet, making it much longer. And I think that that's really important, especially if you guys are using this for cleaning cars. You guys could set this out on the ground and then you guys could just take the hose in the car and not worry about spilling anything in the car. So next up, let's talk about all of the different modes and the control panels. Starting over here on the BISSELL, we have a steam and clean. So this mode is going to use a mixture of the cleaning solution and steam. And this is going to be the best mode for cleaning carpets and pet stains. And obviously this is unplugged right now just so you guys could hear me better. But this will be the steam mode. This will be only steam, no cleaning solution. Then over here, lastly, we have the room temperature cleaning, which is going to be the solution, and of course the cold water. Something that I do like about the BISSELL is that we get a little ready icon for when the steam is actually heated up. Moving over to the UWANT, we're gonna get room temperature cleaning, we're gonna get hot water cleaning, then we're also gonna get the steam mode, which can be used with any other attachments. And speaking of attachments, let's go ahead and take a look at all of the attachments for these machines. So for the BISSELL, we're gonna get some of their cleaning solution. Then we're gonna get 2 separate brush heads. This one's a little smaller and can be used in multiple different scenarios, even for grout, but these bristle brushes do not come out. Here's the main brush attachment, and you can see the top comes off for easy cleaning, but I've noticed that the bristle brush attachment does not come out. Besides the user guide, that's basically everything that you guys are gonna get in the box. Moving over back to UWANT, we're gonna get some of their cleaning solution, and it comes in a spray bottle, but you guys could pour a little bit in the tank, and you guys could also spray the stain before you guys clean it up. So we're gonna get this really soft attachment here, and this is going to be great for cleaning glass, especially with that steam mode, or even your oven top. Then moving over to this attachment, we have bristle brushes on this side and a silicone brush on the other side. So when it comes to using this, you guys could take off the top, and then you guys could slide these right into place and then swap them out. It's really simple to do and makes for easier cleaning. For most of our tests today, we're probably going to be using this bristle brush just because it's the most similar to BISSELL's. Something that I really like about the UWANT design though is that we have the steaming wand, so we could attach this and we get 2 separate attachments on this tip. So this is going to be more direct steam, but I've been using this one the most lately. I actually use this to clean shoes, and then I just have a rag nearby to clean up the excess water. This is a great tool to use for steam cleaning, and we'll definitely show you guys this in action in just a moment. Then we get our self-cleaning attachment. So you guys put it on, turn on the machine, press this trigger, and all of the soap basically goes up and then gets sucked right back in, and it just cleans out this entire hose. And the last thing that we're going to talk about before we get into those cleaning tests are the price points. So BISSELL over here is going to be $249 and UWANT over here is only $129.98. It is almost half the price, which is extremely impressive considering it has so much to offer, all coming in a smaller package. All right, so for this test, we have the BISSELL over here with the wider brush, and then we have the UWANT on my left, your right. It's really important with the UWANT to go ahead and spray the stain down with their cleaning solution, and then I normally let it sit there for at least 30 seconds to really activate. And this test is going to use the room temperature water. We're gonna try to do this at the exact same time to get you guys a good comparison. All right, so I have a little bit more cleaning to do, but I thought this would be a good time to take a break and show you guys some of the results here. So we're actually still seeing a good amount of the stain left here on the Bissell. And then over here, the UWANT has done a great job. Almost everything is gone. So I'm gonna do a few more passes, one machine at a time, and get this all cleaned up. Then we're gonna do a hot water test with just the UWANT. All right, so I just finished cleaning both stains. It did seem that the Bissell took a little bit longer to clean it up, but we did get there eventually. They still look a little dirty right now, but that's mostly because of the water. It's still a tiny bit damp. So as it dries, it would become more of this color over there. But really happy with the results. Let's move on to the next test. This test will be done with the same brush attachment on the hot water mode. And just like last time, we're gonna go ahead and spray this stain down, let this sit for about 30 seconds. And we're also gonna turn this on and let it warm up for about the same amount of time. Then we should be all set. So chocolate syrup can be a pretty hard stain to get out of carpet, but with the hot mode, it actually did a really good job. And I can say it does seem to work a little faster using the hot water mode, at least when carpet cleaning. To me, this mode is really what stands out about the UWANT design. And anyways, let's go ahead and move over to our next test. So now we're gonna test the steam mode on both. We have several different tests we're gonna do here, but for the first one, we're going to hold this about here and then use this thermometer gun to see just how hot the steam is, and we'll see which one is hotter. So as you guys saw, the UWANT was actually quite a bit hotter. And for the next test, we have 2 paper towels above some bowls here. I thought that this would be a good way to actually test the steam output of each. So this was a really interesting test, and hopefully you guys were able to see this, but the Bissell did seem to produce more moisture on the actual steam mode than the UWANT, but the UWANT seemed to have more actual steam, where on the Bissell, even though it was up to temperature, a lot of the liquids coming out aren't just steam, there's actually still some hot water trickling out. To me, this seems to behave more like a steam cleaner, and I really like that about the UWANT design. So next up, I'm gonna show you guys the steam coming out of both of Bissell's attachments. Now moving over to the UWANT, and this might take a little bit longer because we do have more attachments. So for our next test, we're gonna start with the Bissell and then the UWANT, but we're gonna clean some of these cracks in my flooring. So let's go ahead and get this warming up. So the Bissell did a really good job at getting in this crack there. There's a huge difference, and this attachment right here is really good for uses like that. Next up, the UWANT. All right, so as you guys could see, that actually worked a little faster. I believe it's this attachment. I just love this thing. I've been using this on my shoes, the oven, even molding like right there. It did a really great job, and then I just have a rag nearby to kind of soak up some of the water, because with this attachment, it's not able to suck up the grime, but you guys could always just swap it out and use the brush instead with the steam mode and suck up all of that dirty water. For our next test, we're gonna clean this door jamb with the UWANT on this side and then the Bissell on this side. We're gonna do one at a time, and then we'll get to see which one cleans the fastest. We're gonna use the same setup we did for the last stain. All right, so I would say that is 90% better, and I just touched this piece of metal. It is so hot from the steam coming from this UWANT cleaner. Now let's move over to the Bissell. All right guys, so with that test, it did take a little bit longer to clean this up. And I will say the metal doesn't feel near as hot, which is kind of interesting. There were some pieces here that just were not coming up. I'm not too sure what it is, but I kind of want to see if the UWANT is going to be able to take care of this. All right guys, so we did have to take a break because someone came to my door, but we started back up with the UWANT, and I do feel like it is slightly cleaner than how it was left with just the Bissell. I know we still have some of this grime in there, but those are really in there. I believe it's some sort of like paint or wax, but we were able to get some of it up with the UWANT. And I would assume the main reason that we had that success was because of the higher temperature and the more direct steam with this nozzle. So for our next test, we're gonna use this attachment for the UWANT, and this won't be a comparison because the Bissell does not have an attachment like this. So I'm just gonna show you this machine in action for a couple more cleaning tests. Next up, I'm going to show you one of my favorite things to do with this UWANT carpet cleaner. We're actually going to be cleaning up these shoes to the best of our ability with the steam mode real quick. So here's what the shoe looks like now. We only cleaned half, so I could show you what it looked like before. So you could see exactly where we cleaned and just how much cleaner these shoes are. And if you guys have ever tried to get grass stains out of your shoes, I think you guys know how difficult it is. For our last cleaning test, we're gonna start cleaning up our oven right here. We're gonna focus on the glass. And here are our results. I know it's not perfect. Some of this grease is just almost impossible to get out, but I will say it is definitely noticeably cleaner. Just for reference, here is the before and here is the after. I think it turned out pretty great. And that's it for all of our cleaning tests. Let's go ahead and wrap up this comparison. So now that we're done with all of the tests, let's talk about these two machines. Both machines obviously got the job done. They both did a great job on the carpet, but I will say the UWANT did seem to work faster, and it also seemed to do a better job in the end. And I would personally say it's probably because of all of the different modes and attachments that UWANT offers. We're gonna get 3 completely different modes on the UWANT. On the Bissell, we basically just get steam and room temperature water. The reason that I like the UWANT machine so much is because of that hot water mode specifically. I think it works the best, especially for cleaning up after pets on carpet or ketchup and chocolate syrup in our case. I also love that UWANT includes this attachment. This is probably my favorite. I've definitely used this one the most, and I feel like it's the most versatile attachment that UWANT offers. I really wish that Bissell had something similar or just a straight steam wand, but we just get the 2 brush heads instead. All right, so now let's talk about pricing. UWANT was almost half the price of the Bissell, which is extremely impressive considering its performance today and all of the accessories and modes it offers. I definitely enjoyed using both these machines today, but my honest opinion, if I had to choose between one, I would probably lean towards the UWANT here, mostly because of this attachment and that hot water mode. Make sure that you guys drop a like and subscribe down below, and I also left some affiliate links for both of these products in the description and comment. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today's comparison between the BISSELL HydroSteam and the UWANT Y100 Steam.